can see, there are some hard keys on the unit. So we should know what's the purpose of these hard keys. The very first key is the menu key. Second one is the mode key to switch between different modes. Third one is OK or confirm key. Fourth is up, and the last one is down. So right now when the unit is started up, it's in the video recording mode. If I want to change the mode to photo mode, I have to just simply press the mode key. First let me just stop this video. Now I can press the mode key and go into the photo mode, and also the next mode is viewing mode. So here basically I can view all the videos and photos that have been captured by the drive recorder. The very first one, after going into the menu, this is to select the resolution. So I can record the videos of my drive into different video resolutions. So I have the option of 720 pixels, 1296 pixels and 1080 pixels. So I have the option of HD and Full HD, both kind of videos I can record through this DVR. Let's check the other settings. So this is the video clip time. I can select how much duration will each of my clip have. Let's go to the next key option. This is the sound recording option here. So there is a mic built into the DVR, so I can record the sounds from inside the vehicle, or I can keep it off for my privacy. The next one is the motion detection option. If my car is standing at a particular location and it is recording the video and there is no movement in front of the camera for 5 seconds, it will stop recording the video. This way it will save the space of my SD card. Here I have a power off option. I can select different time durations here. So after this duration, the power of the unit will turn off if there is no recording in the DVR. Then I have clock setting and date settings, which I can do easily from this menu option. Then I have a LCD power save mode. So because I'm recording the video constantly and this LCD is on, then the battery drainage of this DVR is quite high. So I can save that by selecting different options from 1 minute, 3 minutes or off. So preferably we keep it at 1 minute. So after 1 minute this LCD will turn off, but the DVR will keep on recording the videos of the road. Next we have a parking mode option in this DVR. Just for safety purpose, if my car is standing outside of my home, it's parked outside of my home, and there is a major impact on the car, then the DVR will automatically turn on and it will start recording from in front of the vehicle. So this I can keep as high, middle or low, whichever I want. So the next feature we check out is the lane departure warning system. In order to use this feature, we have to first do the calibration. So when we go into the calibration mode, this red line that we see here, it should be on the end of the road. So this should be the end line here. So somewhere around here where we can see the end of the road, this red line should be exactly there. And we will come out of this screen, and we have to turn on this feature from the settings. So from here we turn on this feature, and now we are good to go.